right from a tropical forest in Cross River, South Nigeria. This is a wild fruit. I don't know what it's called, but it sure looks beautiful, like some apples. This is a big ant house. It's a species of ants. Generally, ants as a species are very creative and very wonderful creation of God. Now, these guys build their house on a tree. It's a big mole made of wood and earth and other materials, but it's so very solid with various chambers and all the characteristics of ant kingdom. But this one is so unique as it's up there on the tree, safe from earth and other elements. Unlike this one, it's an ant hill as well, but I'm sure it's an abandoned ant hill, or probably there's still an empire down there. So these guys come to the ground, collect the materials, food that they need, and other stuffs, and make their way all up to their kingdom, where they provide a wonderful shelter for themselves. It looks beautiful with a lot of intricate designs that only God knows how this guy achieved it. I just love ants and how wise they are. It's a young farmer. January is the dry season. This is when you see all kinds of flowers blowing this time of the year. This is a beautiful species. Don't know what it is, but I love it. It's such a privilege to have a farm with a stream by the side that runs throughout the year that doesn't run dry. This is January. This stream runs throughout the year up till late April when it starts raining and the volume increases. It expands up to about that area when it's rainy season. But this time of the year, it runs throughout all the way down to the big river. The water is clean and ice cold.